Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make an evening snack which is really loved by my little one. So I thought why not share the recipe with you all. So this is Kerala Unniyappam. So for that I would need 1 cup of soaked rice, nearly 8 to 10 hours. Then 2 chopped bananas, the ripe bananas, robusta, which you easily get in the market, and then some jaggery. If you're taking 1 cup of rice, then half cup of jaggery would you would require for the syrup, and then some almonds, cardamom for the flavor, and then some black till seeds, and then some chopped coconut. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blend the rice, banana, cardamom, and the almonds to make a paste which is almost of an idli batter consistency. I'll show you. Alright, so let's get started. So this is my batter which I have just grinded. So one small tip, if you want to have a very soft texture for your unniyappam, you can just add this soaked poha, right? The flattened rice is what I suppose it's called. So this also you can use a little bit while grinding for the texture of the unniyappam. So my batter is ready. Now I will mix the jaggery syrup which I have prepared. I have strained it already. So I've give it a good mix. Right. Again, jaggery is really good for the health. Plus the almonds will add extra benefits. And moreover, my kid likes the flavor of almond. So here is your batter. You see it's like this consistency. Alright, now we will put the till seeds. Again, give it a mix. Put some more. You can also put white till seeds if you don't have black, and if you have both, you can have a mixture of two. Alright, so now we will just let it rest for an hour or two. So this my batter is ready. It's almost an hour, 45 minutes to an hour I left it. Now I have roasted the coconut and I have also added some raisins. It's not necessary, but just for the flavor I have added the raisins. I'll give it a good mix and then we just take it to fry. So here I have this Unniyappam we say in Malayalam, and it's actually a mold wherein you can make the appe mold also you might get in the market. If you don't have this, you can make it in a kadai as well. Otherwise you can just turn into a pancake sort of a thing because it's like a dosa batter. So here is my batter. I have used a normal oil. You can use coconut oil as well. Since it's lockdown, we have to save whatever we have. So here it goes. For a very little. Like this. Be careful while you're pouring. And that's it. Fork to settle it. Just turned it for the other side. I'm using a fork, it's much safer. And you can see nice golden color, and the black sesame seeds is adding beauty to it. So as you can see, the unniyappams are getting cooked. It's looking so lovely. Yes, golden brown color. You can also use wheat instead of rice flour. So I have made the entire batter, this unniyappam, with little bit more than half katori oil. So wherever it's necessary, you can just pour in some oil. Right. You can add a little bit of rava in the batter. You can also use wheat flour, as I said. You can use rice flour as well. I have soaked the rice and then grinded it into a paste. So if you want to avoid the hassle, you can use the rice flour as well. So we are ready to serve the unniyappams. So our unniyappam is ready and it looks really appetizing. You can see it has a very nice color and the texture is also very soft. So please try this recipe as an evening snack. I'm sure you will love it. Please do like and subscribe and share our channel. So until we meet again, bye bye and thank you so much for watching.